I'm going to make a very easy recipe today, but first things first, let's get organized. I'll need some garlic, and I actually don't overthink on this. I just smash flat, smash and slice. Also need some ginger. Just slice this into thin slices. I find it very flavorful and nice aromatic to add into my dishes. The key here is to get all your ingredients set up so that when you begin cooking, you don't have to worry about what's going first and what's gonna go next. I want it more chili, so 2 chilies, and I'm also gonna need half onion. The other thing I need for this recipe is green beans. I'm just gonna cut the edges off. I'll cut the beans again into half. And I will also need some corn. This is boiled corn. I'll just get some of this out of the cob. You could also use the canned one. I don't find much of a difference. My wok is on high heat, so I've added 1 teaspoon of oil. And for me, my aromatics go in first. I'll saute my onions until they're brown and soft. And then add in my ground beef. I'm going to add in 1 spoon of Chinese spices and 2 spoons of soy sauce. And add in my green beans. Let's add some little water just to make sure those green beans are well cooked. And leave it to cook for a couple more minutes. In goes my corn. Remember, this is cooked corn. All done. There you go. Dinner fixed in 15 minutes. And some more reserved for tomorrow. Just like that. Done.